So earlier this week, we got to thinking. All you sports fans are going to be starving for action. There's no golf through at least the Masters. The PGA Tour is postponed. So we wanted to do our part. So I asked my good buddy Wade here, do you think we could make it onto Copperhead?
Yes, we can.
We're here. The stadium's in place. The signage is in place. We're going to play PGA Tour rules, which means you got to putt everything out, and we're going to play from the tips. We're going to see if Wade can break 100, I can break 90, and Pat can break 80. PGA Tour rules from Copperhead. Here we go.
Let's go.
So here we have the Wall of Champions. I was actually here when Jordan Spieth won his first PGA Tour event.
Get in the hole! Get up there. Yeah.
2018, 2019, Paul Casey won. Unfortunately, there won't be one in 2020, so it's going to have to be one of us.